We're going to walk through how to sign up for a DoSportsEasy account. For this school year, we'll be utilizing DoSportsEasy for any travel and to get reimbursed for allocation, service, or donation accounts. So anybody who's looking to travel this year will need to sign up for an account, or anybody who's submitting paperwork for allocation, service, or donation accounts will need to sign up as well. So DoSportsEasy can be found from our Sport Club website, here, or here. You can click them, or on the right-hand side, you'll be able to click DoSportsEasy here. At the top of the page, my name is here. If it says guest, click in and you'll use your Kerberos to sign up. Once you've done that, you can register for your club. Under registration, here's all your personal information, so make sure to click this and fill out all 3 of these. And you'll see here, once you do, this bar will start to rise. Under additional information, click which position you're going to be. If your position is not listed here, click other. If you're interested in being a safety officer this year, click yes. You'll notice here CPR first aid certifications need to be turned in. For this year, we will not be uploading the document. You'll need to send them to Shannon. Her information is located here. Make sure to send her your CPR and first aid certifications. Also let her know if you're interested in being a safety officer, because she'll need to sign you up to do the risk management concussion training through your LMS account. If you try and take it on your own, it's not going to show up on Shannon's site, so make sure you contact her or you might be able to do it twice. If you're not interested in being a safety officer, click no. As you can see, my bar gets a little bit better. Under driver information, if you're interested in being a driver, click yes. You'll need to submit a copy of your driver's license to the Sport Club email address here, or you can bring it into our office Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Click these boxes after you read them and hit save. If you're not interested in being a driver, please hit no. And again, for me, everything is complete. All the documents will be listed here. This is your Fusion membership fee. Once you've paid that, our staff will go in and approve you. If you are a high impact sport, you have to get a baseline concussion test. If you need to do that, please contact Shannon to get it done. You will not be able to travel until all this information is complete. The summary tab shows here everything that's been completed and things needed to be done. If you have any questions, please let us know in the Sport Club office. Thanks. Have a great day.